Looking for a puppy. I really want to get a dog.
I know. We've talked about it many times.
I think we're ready now.
I think so too.
I'd really like a Pomeranian.
Me too. They're small and very cute.
We need to find a good breeder.
Yes, we should be careful and find a good one.
I found a few breeders online.
Did you find any good ones?
Yes, I found one with very good reviews.
Where is it?
It's about 3 hours from here.
That's a long drive.
I know, but they have some puppies available.
When can we go?
They said we can come this weekend.
Great. Do they have any boys?
Yes, they have 4 boys and 1 girl.
Do you know what they are like?
The woman said that some of them are very active.
That could be a problem.
Why?
We both work during the day.
That's true.
Maybe we should choose a calmer puppy.
I agree.
But we should meet them first.
Of course.
We shouldn't choose a puppy just because it looks cute.
You're right.
We need to see which one is right for us.
I can't wait to meet them.
Me neither.
Let's go on Saturday morning.
Okay, I'll drive.
Perfect. Maybe we'll come home with our new puppy.
I hope so.
Choosing our puppy. Look at them. They are all so cute.
I know. It's going to be hard to choose.
Look at that little one.
He has so much energy.
He is running everywhere.
He might be difficult to keep up with.
What about this one?
He is much calmer.
Yes, he is just sitting there.
Maybe a calm puppy would be better for us.
I think so too.
But let's not decide yet.
Okay,
Let's see what they're like with us.
good idea.
Come here, little guy.
Look, he's coming to us.
He walked right over to you.
I know, he's so sweet.
And now he's sitting next to me.
I think he likes us.
I think he chose us.
Maybe you're right.
Do you want to hold him?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Oh, he's so cute.
And he's very calm.
I think he's the one.
Me too.
Should we take him home?
Yes, let's do it.
I can't believe we're going home with a puppy.
Me neither.
We need to choose a name.
We can do that in the car.
Okay, let's take our little guy home. Shopping for the puppy. We need to buy a few things for our new puppy.
I know. We need food, toys, and a bed.
And a leash and a collar.
That's a lot of things.
The breeder gave us some information about his food.
What did she say?
She said we should give him food for small puppies.
And how often should he eat?
She said he should have small meals several times a day.
Okay, that sounds easy.
We also need to give him fresh water all day.
Of course.
Let's go inside and see what they have.
Okay.
Excuse me, could you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
We have a 10-week-old Pomeranian puppy.
Okay, what would you like to buy?
We need food for him.
Do you know what food he was eating before?
Yes, the breeder told us to keep giving him food for small puppies.
That's a good idea. It is better not to change his food too quickly.
Okay, we will take this one.
Good choice.
We also need a food bowl and a water bowl.
They are right over here.
Great! We need a leash and a collar, too.
What size is your puppy?
He is very small.
Then this small collar should fit him.
Perfect.
Do you need any toys?
Yes, I need a few toys.
These toys are good for puppies.
We'll take 3. We also need a bed.
These small beds are very popular.
I like this one.
It's a good size for a Pomeranian puppy.
Great, we'll take it.
Is there anything else?
Do you have treats for puppies?
Yes, These are made for young dogs.
We'll take a small bag.
Good. You can use them when you start training him.
That's what we want to do.
Just remember not to give him too many treats.
Okay, we'll be careful.
Is this everything?
Yes, I think so.
Then you should have everything you need for now.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
The puppy ate my shoes. Oh no.
What happened?
Look at my shoes. He destroyed them.
Oh,
These were my favorite shoes.
I'm sorry.
They were very expensive.
I know. He's a puppy. He wants to bite things.
But why my shoes?
Maybe they smelled like you.
That's not very helpful.
I'm sorry.
I should have put them away.
Yes, we need to keep our shoes in the closet.
And we need to put other things away too.
You're right.
I don't want him to destroy anything else.
We can teach him what he can and cannot bite.
I hope he learns quickly.
He will.
But I still need new shoes.
Then we'll go to the store and buy you a new pair.
Okay, thank you.
And when we come home, we'll put them in the closet.
Definitely.
Where is the little troublemaker now?
He's sleeping on his bed.
He looks so innocent.
He does.
It's hard to be angry with him.
I know. He's lucky he's so cute.
Teaching the puppy commands. I think we should teach him some commands.
I agree. Where should we start?
Let's start with sit.
Okay, how do we teach him?
Hold a treat in your hand.
Like this?
Yes. Now say sit.
Sit.
Look, he's sitting.
He did it!
Give him the treat.
Good boy!
Let's try it again.
Sit.
Great. He did it again.
He's learning quickly.
Now let's teach him come.
Okay.
Walk a few steps away from him.
All right.
Now call him.
Come here.
Look, he's coming to you.
Good boy.
Give him a treat.
He really likes these treats.
They can help with training.
What should we teach him next?
Let's try stay.
Okay, this might be difficult.
Put him next to you and say stay.
Stay.
Now take one step back.
Okay.
Wait.
He's following you.
I know.
He doesn't understand yet.
Let's try again.
Stay.
Take one step back.
He's coming again.
That's okay. He's still learning.
Let's try one more time.
Good idea.
Stay.
Take a step back.
He's staying.
Don't move. Wait a few seconds.
He did it.
Good boy.
I'm so proud of him.
Me too. We just need to practice every day.
I think he's going to learn a lot.
He will. We just need to be patient.
Come here, little guy.
I think he's ready for another treat.
I think so too. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Thanks so much, and good luck with your English learning.